Hi and welcome back again. In this training video we're going to go ahead now and set up Sentinel. So I've got Sentinel pinned here, or you can go to the top here and you could type in Microsoft Sentinel, and from the drop down you can select Microsoft Sentinel. I'm going to go ahead, click Create. I'm going to select that workspace we created. I'm going to click Add. And that's going to go and add our workspace to Microsoft Sentinel. And when we set up Sentinel, the very first time we set it up, Microsoft are going to give us a 30-day trial account to use Sentinel. So as you can see, there's that message saying that Sentinel was set up successfully. And you can see the message here from Microsoft that we get a 31-day free activated trial. Go ahead and click OK. And this is where we'll be doing all of our training through this console, or should I say this blade or pane. So as you can see, very easy to set up Microsoft Sentinel. So I'd like to thank you for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training lab.